Hey guys, so gonna get the smoker out. Gonna smoke some hot dogs today and some smokies. Figure we might as well do a whole bunch rather than just do like 5 hot dogs. So we're gonna do like 12 hot dogs and 5 smokies. Gonna smoke them for a while. Should be tasty when we're done. Okay, so last time when I did some smoking, I put, this much. Not gonna make the same mistake. Yeah, let's get her fired up. It's that easy. Okay, just a couple minutes later, starting to smoke. Now we just need to wait till the temperature to get up to like 175, and then we'll throw the hot dogs on. Yeah, so last time we only put in like a couple handfuls. It's like up to here now. We had it, just barely enough in there. And then at the back here, right here, that's where you can take out the unused pellets. So we'll do that rather than keep adding pellets. We'll just fill it, use it, and then when we're done, we'll just empty it out. I like that idea better. Looks like we can take this plate off and put on a stack here. That'd be cool. I'm not sure if I need that or not. Got some more experienced smokers out there than myself, so I'll ask you that question. Like, if I put a smokestack on there, is there any advantage? I mean, I assume it would increase airflow, but if there's no advantage, I think I'll just leave it. So we just put them on. I'm gonna smoke them for probably half an hour, and then I'll check on them. Now we wait. So they smoked for probably 25-30 minutes. Now we got the heat turned up. We're gonna go up to 400 degrees, flip them a couple times, and then we should be done. Yummy. This barbecue, guys. Man, those hot dogs and smokies, they tasted like they were cooked over a campfire. Love it. Been happy with that barbecue. Life is good.